Thank you for tuning in today. We are here at the Animal Hooved Enclosure here in Kansas City. We actually thought of going to the lake today, and then we remembered that we haven't visited this place for I think almost a year now, so we decided to drive here. We have some leftover carrots in the house and we brought it, so we are going to feed some of the bisons here. So are you ready? Let's go. It says in this signage, please no feeding, but look at this. So we have some carrots on the ground. We have some carrots in the car because we thought that we could still feed them, but per USDA regulations 2.131, you can no longer feed this bison or elk. So we're just here to look at them while they also stare back at us. Obviously, we are not alone. There's some people also visiting. This dude here is getting closer to the fence. They look young.
Yeah, they're tiny.
Look at that. So gentle looking, but not sure if, like moose, they can get dangerous. I don't really know much about bisons or elk. Hey buddy, you wanna smile for the camera? Oh, look at that. He's eating the carrots. I hope those are organic. I brought you some organic carrots, but unfortunately, because I want to abide that signage there that says no feeding, so I put the carrots back in the car.
Sorry, buddy.
Sorry buddy, we can feed you. We used to bring carrots, celery and apples to feed them, but not today, or not anymore. We can no longer do that. Hey, look at that. Hi. The others on that side, they have a double fence, so we cannot, I mean, the animals cannot cross the inner fence, so they cannot get closer to the fence here. This is really huge area, and I guess these elk are happy that they have a huge area to roam around. They have a little lake there to probably, whenever they get too hot, they can just head to the lake and get some drink. It's very peaceful here. Not a lot of people, but there are also picnic tables and chairs here that are available for the public in case they want to stay and just hang out. It is, I think, past 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 71 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not too hot and it's so windy, so it's very, very nice today. And this side of the enclosure is for the bisons. last time we were here, I can't remember seeing this second fence there. It might have been there, but the bison were allowed to get closer to the fence, and we were able, or the public were able, to feed them. But